In the previous video, I explained the Clausius-Clapeyron application. Now we are going to see the numerical. Difluoromethane CCl2F2, one of the chlorofluororefrigerant, is responsible for destroying the part of Earth's ozone layer, has P vapor at 40 millimeter of mercury at minus 81.6 degrees Celsius and P vapor at 400 millimeter of mercury at minus 43.9 degrees Celsius. What is the normal boiling point of CCl2F2 in degrees Celsius? So here we go for to solve this question. To solve this question, we need to apply Clausius-Clapeyron equation. So, log P2 by P1 is equal to delta H by 2.303 R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. So, two calculations we have to do. Here, P2 will be 400 millimeter of mercury, P1 is 40. Delta H we have to calculate in the first step. And it is given that the values of temperature is degree Celsius. Of course, we have to convert it into Kelvin. But since the data is given in degree Celsius and millimeter of mercury, we have to take R value as 2 divided by 1 by T1 will be 191.4. Converted into Kelvin minus T2 will be 229.1. So you calculate delta H, you will get 5357.35 calories. You can also convert it into joules or other things, no issues. But since it is given in degree Celsius and millimeter of mercury, degree Celsius they have asked, so you have to take it in calories. Once again, take the same formula. So this is step 1. Step 2. They have asked to calculate the normal boiling point of CCl2F2, dichloro-difluoromethane. So T2 we have to calculate. So if this is the boiling point of CCl2F2, then P2 should be 1 atmosphere, but the data is given as in millimeter of mercury. 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 millimeter of mercury. This you have to understand. It's very, very important. Now we will substitute this in the same formula. You will get log 760 by 400 is equal to delta H is 5357.35 divided by 2.303 into 2. So here if you take in joules, you can convert it into joules, no problem. Divided by 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. 1 by T1 is 229.1 minus 1 by T2. This is your normal boiling point. What is asked? Compute this. You will get 242.43 Kelvin. But if the answer is given in degree Celsius, it is minus 30.57 degrees Celsius. So this problem is very critical, children. Clausius-Clapeyron equation.